Okay, I'm going to be doing the sprinkles today. I'm going to be using the royal icing on the blue one and normal icing on the purple one. Chosen nice dark colours so they show up, and of course don't use the royal icing if you have an egg allergy. So I'm just going to plonk a bit in the middle. Just spread out to the edges. You do want to make it, put it on a little bit thick, but not too thick of course, but not too thin. You want a little bit of thickness to your sprinkles. So I'm just going to spread it over a bit, try and cover all the, then we'll get the scraper and just drag it across lightly till you get a nice even coverage. So just get the tab, hold down the greaseproof paper and lift up gently, and then you just place it down for the next one. So now I'm going to use the normal icing in the purple. I'll take a spoonful, put it in the middle, push to the sides, nice and thick. And get the scraper and draw lightly across the top. And take the tab and lift gently. And then place down for your next one. So I've left these now 24 hours. You can just peel them off the greaseproof paper, just roll it, and they come off nice and easy. And there's the Christmas tree. They're all dry and ready to use on your cakes.